maybe then there wouldn't be a single thing we couldn't do. But we could be married, we could be married, and then we'd be happy, and then we'd be happy. But wouldn't it be nice? You know, it seems the more we talk about it, it only makes it worse to live without it. But let's talk about it. But wouldn't it be
I said, ready, set, go, man, go. I got a girl and I love her so I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready, ready, ready to rock and roll. We're going down to the corner, pick up a sweet pie. She's the rock and roll, baby, she's the help. I love my heart. I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready. Ready, 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 I'm ready, ready, ready to rock and roll with all the flat top cats and the dungaree dolls. I headed to the gym for the so-called ball. The drummers really jumping, the cats is going wild. The music's really something so deep, my baby life. I'm ready, 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 ready to rock and roll. Rock and roll, baby, come on to the scene. I shove her to the left, I shove her